welcome back to my channel, Crafted by Kiki. I am currently at an event, but I have some new signs that I wanted to unbox for you guys. So, the signs came from Amazon. I was actually gifted them for Christmas. So I'm finally opening it. It is currently January, I think today's the 5th. So we're at our local animal clinic that recently opened up here. So we're hoping that these signs are going to pull in some more customers. I do have a flag way out on the road over there, but I only have one flag. And I used to have two signs, but they got lost over the past year. So super excited to unbox these new signs, and I'm going to show you guys. Alright guys, I'm trying to kind of get away from the generator as best as I can, so I'm hoping you guys can hear me. And then if I sit inside the trailer, then we have the hood going on, so it's kind of hard to avoid noise when we're on the food truck. So I go really far away in case I get some customers. But yeah, this is the box that it came in. It says this is a set. Should be a set of yard signs. Gonna see. Okay. Should be good. And then this one I guess it was double-sided. And there is about 4 yard signs here. Oh wow. And there's another flag. I didn't realize all this fits in the box. Okay, so now I have another flag as well. Ow. And there is some installation instructions here that we'll get to in a second. So first, I'm gonna open up these signs. And this is a pretty decent size. I would have to look up the sizing of it to tell you guys. But this is a nice size. Like, I like these. Let's see if it's coming. It's awkward now. Nope, it goes fast. Darn. It's still kind of early. We're here for lunchtime. It's probably just about lunchtime. So, here's yeah, we have 4 signs. Oh, actually, we have 5 signs. Front and back. The same picture. I love how it has the Jamaican flag in the background. We have chicken on the side, and some love and some cilantro. It's not typical Jamaican style, but you get the picture in terms of it being chicken and Jamaican food. It looks well seasoned in the picture. And it came with these little sticks that go, that go in the sign. So I guess we get to choose which one we want. I just know in general, whenever you do these signs, you have to be careful because these rods can poke through your image of your yard sign, depending on the quality. Now, I will say the quality of this feels really, really sturdy, really durable. It's not papery. It's like pretty glossy, so I feel like it will hold up. Now, I will be taking my signs in and out, so they won't constantly be outside because I move around in different locations. But yeah, these feel pretty durable for what I need them for. I do wish that these rods were metal because these probably will snap and break eventually. Or if you stick them in the ground and the ground is pretty firm, you might have some trouble or you might have some breakage there, but we'll see. But, you know, not bad for a toy. So, I have some signs right here. I realize they don't have any arrows, but that's okay. I mean, I can always tape on my own arrow if needed. But yeah, so far super easy to assemble. Nothing much to it other than opening it up, sticking the rods in, and bam, really soft. So this one went in really easy. Now this side was a little harder. It's not poking through. Right? I think we can do 2 for now. I don't need the full 5 of them set up. Alright, and let's get into this flag. That's what I'm really excited for. Uh-oh. Jammed up in the box. Oh no, I don't want this to break since I don't have any stakes. But I do know you can buy yard sign stakes, I believe, at Walmart. Dollar Tree may even have a type of yard sign stake, because really any yard sign stake can fit in this. It's pretty universal sizing. It's just like little holes that you put the rods in. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, there's another piece in the bottom of this. See that? There's another piece here that must be for the flag as well. Alright. So let's get into the flag. Let's open it up. And once again, I will pull up the Amazon and I'll tell you guys the exact measurements and sizing for stuff. I do love Amazon because you're able to get these quick-made items without having to incur additional costs for having them custom made. So I saved some money there. Oh, it's pretty cool. Oh, wow. Okay. So it's Jamaican food. It's similar to my birth flag. My birth flag actually doesn't have any red in it, but I really love this. We have the Jamaican flag. We have some rice and peas on the flag. See, now this is Jamaican food. We got some jerk chicken on the bottom. Oh yeah. Some vegetable. So yeah, this is a pretty nice flag. I'll stand up for reference. So I'm 5 foot, and this is taller than me. So this is probably like, I don't know, 5.5 feet, maybe 6. Oh, it's right here. Okay. So the flag itself is 5.4 feet. And when it's assembled with the frame of it, it's going to be 7 feet tall. So I got a 7-foot tall flag in a box this size, like along with 5 signs. That's actually kind of impressive. So that is good for me to know. So that way it's easy to store on the food truck as well, because I don't always have a lot of space to have things fully set up and put in there. You have to break down things so that way you have room. So that's actually really good that it can get really compact. Let's see. Let's get into the frame of this. I like how it came in a bag with the frame of it, in a little bag. So, I probably should have set up the table to do this, but it's okay. So, pull the plastic off of everything. We have 3 little rods. That's going to be the top of the flag. We have a rod with a pointy end. That's going to be what goes into the ground typically. And then we have the ones here that are going to be the height. So, assembly. Should I read the directions? Or should I just do my own thing? Do my own thing. Alright, try to stick them in the grooves that they are designed to fit in. Typically, these flag pieces only fit only in one way. So if it doesn't push into the other side, you flip it around and push it into the other. This is going to, so this piece here has a double silver end. So I'm not sure where that goes. This is going to be the tip because there's a plastic tip here. There we go. This looks pretty sturdy. I think I did it right. Now this, I don't know what this is for. I guess now I will read the directions. Okay, so this is just a clamp to secure the flag down so it doesn't slide off the floor. So that's all this is. This goes on at the bottom, and they show it in the directions here. Okay, that's all that is. And let's see if I assemble this right. Okay. Something like that. No, I'm kidding. I've done this before, and the first time I assembled my first flag, I don't think I really read the directions either. Like, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I like that it did come with instructions, so that way I know how to do it. Alright, so we gather our trash forward. We're gonna get this flag set up for you guys. Alright. You want to find the end mark, so you're going to follow the spine of the flag. It's right here. I'm going to move my pole. And it's actually lightweight. That's another thing I want to note is that it is very lightweight. Now it's dropping. So whenever you put the flag on, you want to kind of angle it on the ground and kind of use the ground to hold it in place. This is me as one person doing this. As one person, this is what I do. I hold it on the ground, so the pointy end is that way. The flimsy side is this way. And once you put that opening over the top of the stick, you just slide it down the hole. And then you can hold it together. So let me show you guys better. I'm gonna put the clamp on so that way it holds the flag down. There's like another little loop that anchors everything together. Slide this on, open up the pin. You guys can see me. Open up the pin. Actually, you don't have to open the pin. You can just tighten the pin. Right side to left side. You can just tighten the pin and slip it over the pin. You don't even really have to take it apart. See how I have it just thrown on the side? Typically, I haven't had it happen yet. The flag doesn't really slide off the hole, but that is nice to have on it. So, it's super lightweight for the weight inside. Yeah, it's not. It's gonna go on the ground. But yeah, I have a flag. I have some new signs. Yeah, excited. Alright guys, so I pulled it up on Amazon so I can read you guys the details. I will also include the link in the description below. But this is the Hill Surin 6-set Jamaican fruit sign. It includes a 7-foot feather flag kit and 5 Jamaican fruit signs with a ground stake. Windless advertising banner sign for outdoors, festivals, business, restaurants. Okay. So that is what it looks like on Amazon. This set was $33.99. So honestly, great value for the price. I feel like I got a lot of items. I'm satisfied with the quality of them. The only thing I will end up changing is the stakes for the signs, just because I want something more durable, since I do move them in and out of the ground a lot since I move locations. But other than that, that's nothing, because the signs, both sides are designed. The flag is designed on both sides as well. The colors are super vibrant. The quality feels amazing. And it comes with a little storage bag. So once again, that was $33.99 on Amazon. It got to me with 2-day delivery. There was no additional shipping cost if you have Amazon Prime. And yeah, the product size, so the size for the signs, it is 15 by 7 inches, and then 15.7 inches by 12 inches. So it's pretty good sizing on that. If you want it in centimeters, that's 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters. And the flag, like I said earlier, the flag itself is 5.4 feet. And when it's assembled, it is 7 feet long or tall, right? So yeah, that is my Amazon unboxing for my Jamaican food signs. If you are a food vendor or any kind of vendor really, feel free to search on Amazon and see what preset or pre-made signs they may have. You'll be surprised at what you can find, honestly. Even if it's something more general, if you have a food truck and you sell French fries, you can literally find signs that say French fries, nachos, wings, you name it. You can find general signs like that, and oftentimes they're pretty good pricing because they're not custom, but they do the job. You know, to me, that was designed perfectly for my business. Um, yeah, if I wanted to get some wing signs, I might eventually do that. But yeah, you can find all kinds of different signs and flags and stuff like that that are cheaper than your typical print places. And that just works for me. So I'm actually gonna go show you guys where we have them set up. Guys, as you can see, there is a lot of construction going on, but there's a lot of cars passing by. So that is the yard sign in the ground. And then this is the flag. I don't know what happened. Hold on. In a way, it's kind of... Oh, see, it wasn't anchored down properly. There we go. Now it's fixed. I had my my brother put out the flag, so he just didn't anchor that piece down. So when that piece is anchored down, then it puts the curve in the flag better. And this is Jamaican food. So that's that flag. This is my other flag. I also did get this one from Amazon, and it came with the frame for the flag itself. I don't remember how big that is, but that one is pretty big compared to this one. This is a 7-foot flag, and that one might be maybe 9 feet or 10. I don't remember. But if I can find the link, I will show you guys that one as well. But yeah, this is where we're at today with the food truck. Guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. That is at Crafted by Kiki on all socials. I hope you guys have a wonderful new year, and I hope you guys achieve all your goals that you set out for 2026. So once again, thank you for watching. Bye.